Simple, everyday, easy meals. Slow cook sensations take a long time to cook, but very little work. Crowd-pleasing feasts. Recipes that relieve the stress of the kitchen and evoke the tastes and comfort of home. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple Valentine's recipe, and it is for my almost instant chocolate mousse. So we'll get things underway right away. Get some heat on under a pan. And I have 100 grams here of mini marshmallows. So I'm just going to add them into my pot. And I have also got 80 mils of full fat milk. And that goes. A teaspoon of vanilla. And then I have 75 grams of dark chocolate as well. I'm going to add that in. And this can melt away while I'm getting on with that. To save me getting out a chopping board and a knife and whatever else, this is what I do. I just give it a few raps off the counter to break it up. And that goes to the marshmallow and cream, or milk I should say. I haven't got to the cream just yet. So I'll just give that a quick stir about. Using the marshmallows means I don't need to use sugar, I don't need to whisk egg whites. It's all very quick, and it means my mousse will set very, very quickly as well, like 20 minutes tops, rather than having to leave it hours in a fridge to set. Okay, we're almost there. This doesn't take long at all. So I'm going to turn off the heat. It's not fully melted yet, but I'm almost there. And as this sits while I'm whipping my cream, it will continue to melt, and then it'll start cooling a bit quicker as well. Okay, everything's pretty much melted there, so I'll just pour this. Just pouring it into another bowl helps it cool quicker. Got myself a whisk. Just this I have here 250 mils of double cream. Just going to whisk this up until it's reached soft peaks. That's it. I don't want it stiffly whisked, just until it's barely whipped, just till it will barely hold its shape when the whisk is removed. Grab a couple of glasses to put your mousse in. So I'm just going to fold these together. Scrape that out. I want every last bit of chocolate. Just want to fold these together until no more traces of white cream remain. Everything is mixed together well. And that is it. I'm using a couple of champagne saucers here to serve my mousse in, but you could use a teacup or any small bowls that you like. Really, I think this is plenty for, even though it's only a little bit of mixture, it's very rich. And I do think it is plenty for 4 people. But as this is Valentine's, I think we will ensure there is plenty. Gorgeous. So, 20 minutes maximum in the fridge and our mousses are ready. The misses have had their time in the fridge, so really no time at all. And now I'm just going to use a vegetable peeler and some white chocolate. I have 25 grams of white chocolate here. I'm going to give them a few scrapings. You see how it comes out almost like curds and how easy that is to do. Of course you don't have to have this. And any leftover I can eat. And because it's so rich in that, I think a few tart berries will just cut through that sweetness a little. That's it, so you can have your dessert in minutes. Ready to eat. So good. You would never know this only took minutes to make. It's absolutely fantastic. Before I get too carried away, I should say that the full recipe is available on my website. The link is in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. And thanks for watching.
Gonna make it alright.